Part 1. Warm-up, why talking about weather matters. Talking about weather is one of the most common small talk topics in English. It's how people start friendly conversations at work, in the park, or with strangers. Example, nice weather today, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sunshine after all that rain. It's polite, easy, and helps break the ice. Let's start learning how to use weather vocabulary naturally. Part 2. Common weather vocabulary. Weather type. Example sentence: sunny. It's sunny today. I think I'll go for a walk. Cloudy. The sky is cloudy. It might rain later. Rainy. It's been raining all morning. Windy. It's too windy to go outside. Stormy. There's a thunderstorm coming tonight. Snowy. It snowed last night. Everything looks white. Hot. It's really hot today, around 40 degrees Celsius. Cold. It's freezing. Don't forget your jacket. Humid. The weather is humid. It feels sticky. Foggy. It's hard to drive. It's too foggy. Part 3. Phrases to talk about the weather when the weather is nice. What a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. The sky is so clear today. When the weather is bad, it's pouring outside. The weather's terrible today. I hope the rain stops soon. Talking about temperature. It's quite warm for this time of year. It's freezing cold today. The temperature dropped suddenly. When the wind is strong, it's really windy. My umbrella almost flew away. The wind is howling tonight. Part 4. Talking about seasons. Season. Typical weather. Example. Spring. Warm and rainy. Spring is my favorite season because everything blooms. Summer. Hot and sunny. We usually go to the beach in summer. Autumn. Fall. Cool and windy. The leaves turned red and orange in autumn. Winter. Cold and snowy. I love drinking hot chocolate in winter. Part 5. Daily life. Conversations. Weather. Small talk. Dialogue 1. At work. A. Good morning, Tom. How are you? B. Morning, Sarah. I'm good. Lovely weather today, isn't it? A. Yes. Finally, some sunshine after that rainy week. B. Exactly. I might go for a walk during lunch. Key phrases. Lovely weather today, isn't it? Finally some sunshine after that rainy week. Dialogue 2. With a neighbor. A. Hi. How are you today? B. I'm great, thanks. The weather is so nice this morning. A. Yes, it's perfect for a jog. B. True. Let's hope it stays like this all weekend. Key phrases. Perfect weather for a jog. Let's hope it stays like this. Dialogue 3. When the weather is bad. A. Wow, it's raining heavily again. B. Yeah, I had to take a taxi to work. A. Same here. I can't believe how cold it got overnight. B. Exactly. Winter is coming early this year. Key expressions. It's raining heavily. Winter is coming early this year. Part 6. How to ask about the weather. You can ask in these natural ways. What's the weather like today? Is it still raining outside? How hot is it today? Do you think it'll snow tonight? Is it going to be sunny tomorrow? Example. A. What's the weather like in your city today? B. It's cloudy and cool, perfect weather for coffee. Part 7. Talking about daily life. Weather and daily routines go hand in hand. Let's learn how to describe your typical day and how weather affects your plans. Example. Morning routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I check the weather forecast on my phone. If it's sunny, I go jogging. If it's raining, I stay in and read. Daytime activities. I go to work or school. I have lunch with friends. I sometimes go shopping or for a walk in the evening. Night routine. I come home around 7 p.m. I watch a show or read a book. I check the weather for tomorrow before sleeping. Part 8. Asking about someone's day to keep the conversation friendly. How's your day going? What did you do today? How was your morning? Did you go out today? How's everything with you? Example. Dialogue. A. How's your day going so far? B. Pretty good. It's sunny, so I did some gardening. A. That sounds relaxing. I just went shopping this morning. Part 9. Weather and feelings. Emotional English. Weather often affects our mood. So let's learn how to express that. Weather feeling. Example. Sunny, happy, energetic. I feel great when it's sunny. Rainy.com. Lazy rainy days make me want to stay in bed. Cold, tired, sleepy. I feel sleepy when it's cold outside. Windy, annoyed, irritated. Windy weather messes up my hair. Part 10. Useful weather idioms. Idiom meaning example. Under the weather, feeling sick. I am feeling a bit under the weather today. Raining cats and dogs. Raining very heavily. It is raining cats and dogs outside. Break the ice. Start a friendly conversation. Talking about weather is a good way to break the ice. On cloud 9. Very happy. She was on cloud 9 after getting the job. Every cloud has a silver lining. There's something good in every bad situation. We missed the bus, but we found a great cafe nearby. Every cloud has a silver lining. Part 11. Practice speaking. Let's practice. Repeat after me slowly. It's a beautiful sunny day. I hope it doesn't rain later. What's the weather like in your city? I love going for walks when the weather is cool. Rainy days make me feel sleepy. Try recording yourself and compare your pronunciation. Part 12. Mini conversation practice. Weather plus daily life. A. What's the weather like today? B. It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a picnic. A. Great idea. Let's go to the park. B. Sure. I'll bring sandwiches and juice. Tip. Weather plus activities equals natural small talk in English. Part 13. Quick grammar tip. Talking about weather, we always say, it is plus adjective noun. Don't say, the weather is raining. Give say it's raining. Examples. It's hot today. It's a lovely day. It's snowing outside. It's windy this morning. Part 14. Recap. What you learned today, weather vocabulary and phrases. How to ask and talk about weather, small talk and daily conversations, weather idioms and feelings, grammar and pronunciation. Practice. You're now ready to talk confidently about weather and your daily life in English. Part 15. Lesson ending. Teacher. Great work today. UVA learned how to make small talk about weather and daily life just like native speakers do. Remember to practice by talking about the weather every morning or asking your friends how their day was. Student. Thank you. I'll start practicing every day. Teacher. That's the spirit. Keep going. You're improving with every lesson. Next lesson, Lesson 22. Making plans and invitations. How to ask, accept, and politely refuse in English.